Many people ask me, Earl, which is better, bank financing or pag-ibig financing? Honestly, I know something that's not just better, it's probably the best. Everyone's comparing bank and pag-ibig financing, but no one is talking about this third option, Balay Verde financing by NHMFC. And the best part, you can already take advantage of it right here at Una Apartments. When buying a property here in the Philippines, particularly condos, usually we just have two options. So bank financing and pag-ibig financing. Now this project is really a game changer because it has been awarded by Balay Verde program of NHMFC or the National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation because of their sustainability efforts. So what is Balay Verde? So this is a program that promotes sustainable housing development. So it's the government's way of incentivizing the developers that prioritize building responsibly. Kumbaga, those developers that are contributing to the economy while preserving the environment. In the entire Philippines, kaunting developments lang ang merong Verde program. And especially dito sa area, sa Metro South, this is the only property that you can loan via this Verde program. When we are applying for loans sa banks and pag-ibig, normally the interest rate is between 6.5% to 7%. Sa banks nga minsan tumataas pa na 7.5%. And meron lang tayong tinatawag na fixing period, which is normally between 3 to 5 years. So kaya siya tinawag na fixing period. Itong 3 to 5 years na to, ito lang yung only period of time kung saan yung interest rate mo na na-approve sa'yo at napirmahan mo ay magiging fixed. After the fixing period, the interest rate will now fluctuate. So pwedeng tumaas, pwedeng bumaba yung interest rate, which is highly dependent na on the economy and other factors. So basically, wala tayong control after the fixed period kung ano na yung magiging interest rate na binabayaran mo, or basically the amortization, it will really change every single year depende dun sa rate. But the good thing about Balay Verde program is that fixed ang interest rate mo for the entire loan term. Meaning, if your loan is 10 years, 15 years to pay, or even 25 years to pay, imagine, your monthly amortization stays the same, no surprises. And here, in this program, nag-iiba yung interest rate depende dun sa loan term natin. So, for 5 to 15 years loan term, the interest rate is only 4%. Imagine, halos kalahati yung interest rate compared sa banks na umaabot ng 7.5%. Then, if the loan term is between 16 to 25 years, 5.5% naman yung interest rate natin. Mababa pa rin, di ba, ng 2% compared sa mga banks. Then, kapag 26 to 30 years naman, that will be 7%. And take note, mas mataas din yung maximum age of the borrower dito sa Verde program. Sa banks kasi is hanggang 60 to 65 years old lang dapat ang client or ang buyer upon loan maturity. Dito up to 70 years old. Meaning, kahit 40 years old ka, pwede ka pa rin mag-avail ng 30 years na loan term, or pag 50 ka naman, pwede ka pa rin mag 20 years to pay. The unique financing is just one of the things that I love about this development. On top of those of Verde program, the materials, the quality, the workmanship, and the overall vibe, it's designed to have 60% open spaces. If ganun yung gusto mong sense of community, this is really ideal for you. And of course, there's a reason why Una Apartments was granted the Balay Verde program. Because hindi lahat ng properties, hindi lahat ng condos, pwede mong i-loan sa Verde. And ito yung reason kung bakit. So it's because Arthalan, the developer of Savina Park and Una Apartments, really takes sustainability seriously. So they have been granted triple recognition by global and local green building authorities such as LEED. So they have been awarded platinum for both categories of neighborhood development and the homes category. Also by Verde, so 5 stars ang rating nila, and by EDGE, which is excellence in design for greater efficiency. So these sustainability governing bodies, they really have high, strict standards in terms of awarding this. So it's not just about the eco-centric construction, but also they're also thinking about and considering how livable the entire development is in terms of wellness, livability for the future residents. And this is very crucial, especially for retirees and expats. There's an in-house health and wellness clinic. As of now, the current plan is MaxiCare. So magkakaroon ng MaxiCare clinic, imagine inside the development. So this will be really helpful because hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa hospital, especially if you just want a consultation, diagnosis, and basic treatments. Also, it's a PWD friendly. Merong potager garden sa Savina Park. It really proves how sustainable and self-sustaining the condos development is. Also, it has rainwater management. It's highly walkable and bike-friendly. And it has a composting facility. Talagang it's thoughtfully planned, carefully curated yung entire development. So ito yung sinasabi ko lagi sa clients ko, when you're buying a property, you're not just buying the studio unit per se. You're not just buying the one bedroom. You're buying a piece of the entire master plan. So I hope right now you're getting a good glimpse of what it's really like to have an investment here in Una Apartments. So if you haven't already, if ngayon mo lang napanood yung Una Apartments, so let me give you an overview. Saan nga ba to located? So this sits in Binyan, City Laguna, itong property na to. Pero it's in the growth corridor of Metro South. Yan, malapit siya sa Nuvali, sa Broadfield, and other estates dito sa area. So, as you can see, it's accessible via SLEX. Pero mas malapit siya sa Calax or Cavite Laguna Expressway. And andito na lahat ng mga commercial developments because highly concentrated dito ang iba't ibang developers. So, andyan yung Paseo de Santa Rosa, Westboro Town Center, Ayala Mall Solinad. Malapit lang din siya sa future SM Neo Verde or yung dating SM Yulo Premier. And there are many schools nearby. So, katabi lang niya is De La Salle University. Literally walking distance lang siya. Ito siya. So, we're here now. Then, we have other schools here. We have Saints Co. We have Xavier Nuvali. In Nuvali, meron ding Don Bosco malapit. And the Beacon Academy. So, if you're planning to live with your kids while you're sending them to school, you want to live with them as they're entering a new chapter of their lives in their academic years, this environment is really perfect for families. But also, meron din tayong mga employees nearby because there is Laguna Techno Park, which is composed of over 200 companies. So, ano ibig sabihin nun? Maraming mga employees there, composed of expats. There are because foreign companies yun eh. May Japanese companies, there's Toshiba. Andyan sila Amcor, which is an American-Korean company. Dito rin si Honda Parts. May malapit na Mitsubishi plant because Santa Rosa is the automotive capital of the Philippines. So sobrang daming manufacturing firms talaga dito. Mga auto parts and also semiconductor companies. So yung mga foreign companies na yan, they have expats who have to stay in the Philippines for a period of 6 months, 1 year, or even more in order to supervise the operations. So imagine where these expats are living right now. They're renting somewhere else. In Metro Manila or in other properties. Imagine if you will be able to tap that opportunity. So aside from expats, we have the managers, the engineers, and of course the employees working there na ayaw na mag-shuttle. It's too far from them, mga taga Metro Manila or other nearby provinces. You can really tap that market, especially yung mga expats usually, they're a family. They're bringing their family with them or maybe their partner with them. So you can get a one-bedroom unit. This is really ideal, lalo na sa mga expats na wala masyadong worry pagdating sa budget in terms of renting. Para mas ma-familiarize ka sa location and for you to get your bearings, I will show you, let's drive around from Calax, Laguna Boulevard exit, going to Savina Park. So for a change, mag-start tayo dito sa may lampas ng Calax going to South Forbes or papuntang Ayala West Grove para makita niyo yung future access going to Broadfield. Kasi if you will be going home or your tenant will be coming home from Calax, dito na yung fastest way kapag natapos tong road na to. Yan, yung future access. Diretso ng Broadfield yan. Hindi ka na dadaan sa Laguna Boulevard. But for now, dahil hindi pa tapos yung itong road access na to, doon tayo sa usual route sa may Laguna Boulevard, yung tabi ng Laguna Techno Park. So, just like that, nilampasan natin yung signage ng South Forbes. Boundary na to ng Silang and Santa Rosa. So, ngayon nasa Santa Rosa na tayo. In a moment, nasa Binya naman tayo. That's how close-knit this area is. Ganun ka-concentrated yung mga developments. Parang nasa border siya. Yan. So, ito na yung Laguna Boulevard exit. Many of you are already familiar with that exit kasi lagi nating pinapakita yan so that you can visualize your everyday drive going to the properties that we're showing. Yan. Yung New Valley Flyover, nasa kanan lang yon. Yan. Pag going to New Valley ka, dyan ka pupunta. Or papunta kang Tagaytay, pwede ka rin doon dumaan. If papasok ka naman sa Mamplasan, nalampasan natin yung opposite side naman. Pag papunta kang Manila, yan yung access going ng Calax, Laguna Boulevard exit. So ito yung Laguna Techno Park, Gate 1. Pag lumabas ka dito sa kanan, andyan ang Paseo, Laguna Central, Arcadia, yan yung Paseo de Santa Rosa, dyan yun sa right. May South Supermarket din dyan. Pero turn left tayo kasi papasok tayo going to Savina Park, which is beside Broadfield. So, para lang ma-avoid yung confusion, si Broadfield is hindi siya Arthaland. No? Ayala lang si Broadfield. Nagkataon, Savina Park, kung nasaan si Una Apartments, ay literal beside Broadfield. So you will benefit from the value appreciation and the future lifestyle that you will enjoy because parang the two big developers are gonna lift each other up. They're gonna boost that area. It's gonna be like the future Silicon Valley of the Philippines or the BGC of the South. Kasi more on commercial development talaga yung gagawin dito. Just like that, so andito na tayo sa intersection ng Broadfield. This is where the Laguna campus of De La Salle University is located. Medyo kinat lang namin ng konti yung video para hindi sobrang humaba. Pero saglit lang yon yung nakat namin. Alright, so we're now entering Broadfield proper. So again, this is just one of the access points that you can take when you're driving to Una Apartments of Savina Park. Pero marami pang ibang way. Iba kasi under construction pa yung mga roads. So pag diniretso mo tong road na to, actually, doon na ang De La Salle University Laguna campus. And this entire expanse of land, the bakanting lote pang nakikita nyo ngayon, this will all be allotted for commercial development. Even si Ayala, dahil nga ito ay 120-hectare master plan estate nila, magkakaroon sila ng mga Central Park dito, alam mo yun, mga attractions na parang sa BGC, parang sa Ayala Alabang. There's gonna be public transport terminal. Hindi pa lang namin ma-release ngayon yung actual renders and plans kasi syempre ito ay still in the works. Ongoing pa ng finalization ng master planning si Ayala. So even though this is not Arthaland, hindi ito yung developer ng condo, ng Una Apartments, still you're gonna benefit from all what that's gonna happen here, how this will be transformed. So let's just turn dito sa road na to. Meron ng attraction dito, by the way, ngayon. It's a driving range, a golf driving range, which is Teakwood. It's now open. As in, dun lang yan sa tabi ng, lampas lang yan na konti sa may tabi ng Savina Park. And makikita natin dito sa right side yung bagong building ng De La Salle University, which proves that this school is really big. It keeps on expanding. And talagang malaki ang budget ng La Salle for this campus. So this is a 50-hectare campus, bigger than Manila. And mas malaki rin to sa UST Santa Rosa. And it's existing. May mula basic education hanggang college. So why this is really a great area for investment because meron kang college, a university beside you that's walking distance from the property. And kita na rin natin ngayon na ongoing construction na ang Tower 1. So Tower 2 na ang focus natin for pre-selling ngayon. Pero as you can see, ang ganda ng ngayon pa lang kahit di pa siya tapos. And one thing to really watch out for, something that we're excited about, we're looking forward to a new big box locator here in the area, dito sa Broadfield. So dun sa nilampasan nating view deck, makikita mo na dun yung mga attractions, mga highlights ng Broadfield kasi it's a walkable community parang BGC. And it's half the size of BGC kasi it's 120 hectares. Yung big box locator na to, it has never been in the Philippines, so we've never seen it here. And sabi, this can be a famous brand that's already existing in another country. or in other countries. And dito, it can be a game changer kasi di ba dito ang kilala natin si SNR at si Landers. Pero yeah, sobrang excited kami yung malaman sino yung magiging big box locator dito sa Broadfield. And just like that, ito na ang Savina Park. It's literally just beside Broadfield. So it's like two master planned estates beside one another. Andito sa Arthalan Gallery yung showroom natin. So let's come inside. So I know it's been a long wait and you really want to see how the units look like here in Una Apartments. So tara, join me. So I want you to feel the space because this is according to scale naman sa 28 square meter studio unit. So one thing to take note of, another unique value proposition of Una Apartments is they turn over the units semi-furnished. Sa ngayon, ang partner nila is IKEA, pero at least magbago man yung supplier nila, they will retain the same level of quality and elegance. At least alam natin yung baseline, which is IKEA. Appreciate what you see, but some of this is for inspiration para magkaroon ka na idea how you can transform and maximize the space. But definitely, an overhead cabinet and a countertop, those are included in the turnover. So of course, this is just an idea, but this will be a wall. Of course, there's a door. And premium finish naman yung kasama and fixtures sa loob ng bathroom. So the bathroom mirror is already included. And also a laundry rack. So this one is just an idea, yung shower enclosure natin. So this is not included. But of course, you will get fixtures for this bathroom. So ito, just an idea if you want to have a washing machine but it's not included. Yeah, para lang magkaroon ka ng parang inspiration or ng peg. Alright, so of course, this is just open. Pero, syempre may wall ya dyan where you can put your fridge and other like cabinetry or like a pantry. And then, may kasama na rin siyang, dahil nga semi-furnished siya, it includes a dining set for 2 packs. So, it has 2 chairs already. And, it will be turned over to you with a mattress and a bed frame, double-sized bed. And in addition to that, magkakaroon din to ng split type AC upon turnover. So kasama na yun sa total price. So it also comes with a wardrobe cabinet. So just like this. So again, these are just inspiration. Pero keep in mind na upon turnover, kung ano man yung latest stock, latest trends ni IKEA, at that time, if sa Tower 2 ka nakakuha ng unit, yun yung kasama sa turnover. So these are all IKEA furnitures. Pero kung ano man yung mas updated at that time, let's say after 2 years pa kasi baka ma-turnover, yun naman yung kasama sa unit mo. So of course, this will be closed as well kasi nasa pop-up lang tayo. So as you can see, very spacious siya. So you have enough living space. So let's check out the balcony here. So definitely dito merong sliding door. So imagine you have enough natural light and ventilation coming inside your unit. So maliwanag siya. So you don't have to open your lights during daytime. Then, syempre ito, imagine meron ditong railing. So just like in the old showroom, before kasi yung pinasok natin, yung old showroom na nire-renovate ngayon, there's a balcony there na may railing talaga. So they just finished this. So there's a railing here. Imagine how huge your balcony is. So dahil nga may split type AC dito, di ba? Pag condo, usually window type lang yan. Dito, split type. So, alam mo yun, inverter pa, for example. Tapos, mayroon ka enough space din for the condenser. So, dito siya. So, as you can see, you can put a coffee table here. You have a space to where you can spend some time, maybe to reflect, to journal, and of course to just enjoy the sunrise or the sunset. Now, I'm gonna highlight the special features that make Una Apartments condo units carefully planned and thoughtfully engineered. One of those things is the flooring material. This is SPC flooring or stone polymer composite. So it's scratch-proof and hindi siya yung typical lang na vinyl or other materials for condo units. The floor-to-ceiling height is 2.6 meters, giving you ample space and fresh air moving around the unit. And what makes this really energy efficient para ma-awardan sila ng LEED, ng EDGE at ng Verde? So we have energy-efficient air conditioning and lighting systems designed to save at least 20% sa electric utility bill mo. And on top of that, meron din tayong low-flow, water-efficient plumbing fixtures. It's also designed to save at least 20% sa water bill. So it's really amazing. It's really a game changer because this has something to do with mindful consumption. While you're enjoying a space like this, you're also taking care of the environment as well. So in addition to that, we have carbon monoxide monitor. This is really unique. Wala ito sa ibang condos. And it really makes sense. So especially for retirees, diba? We know na may mga taong victims of carbon monoxide poisoning in their own homes. So you will be able to avoid that and you will have peace of mind that you're just breathing clean, safe air. So the working principle of this technology is that whenever the carbon monoxide or CO level, the harmful levels are reached, so magre-replenish ng fresh air sa loob ng unit mo. So wala lang dito, pero in our previous showroom, there's meron dong ERV or Energy Recovery Ventilator. Whenever the CO level, harmful levels is reached or malapit na sa harmful level, imagine magre-replenish na automatically yung ERV ng bagong fresh air sa loob ng unit mo, ensuring that you and your family are safe. Also, isang common concern bakit ayaw ng iba sa condo living is that it can get too noisy. You can hear your neighbors whenever someone is walking along the corridor or somebody is cooking something that, you know, that doesn't smell so good pumapasok sa unit mo. Pero dito, the good thing about the units here in Una Apartments is that the units are airtight. That ensures that there's good acoustics and indoor air quality. Now, how much is a studio unit here in Una Apartments? So the total price for a 28 square meter studio is 7.7 million. It depends kung saang floor ka. So it may vary a little. So then, ang una mong babayarin is reservation fee, of course, so which is only 50K. So the payment terms natin sa ngayon is 10-10-80, meaning to say 10% spot down payment, 10% is spread out in 26 months. Then, yung 80% balance, yun yung ilo-loan natin sa NHMFC via the Balay Verde program. So after the 50K reservation fee, the 10% spot down payment a month after reservation is around 760K. Then the monthly payment for 26 months is only 31,000 pesos. So the balance of around 6.5 million can be loaned via Balay Verde. So for example, 15 years to pay yung napili mo, 4% lang yung interest rate. So ang monthly amortization niya mga nasa around 48K. The income requirement is around 160K per month. So yung other charges, you will settle that usually after the 26 months of monthly down payment or before ka mag-loan. So the other charges is around 340K. So the other charges is the same as the titling related expenses. And keep in mind, dito sa 10-10-80 na term natin, included na dyan, nabawas na dyan yung discount natin na nasa around 70,000 pesos. So kaya it's really a great time to invest here habang may studio units pa. So if you come to think of it, you may think, Earl, you know what? A studio unit there is so expensive compared to other condos in the market here in Metro South or in Santa Rosa. Well, here's one way to look at it. Kasi lalo na kung investment to, it's not for end use. You're considering to rent it out. This is an income-generating asset. So ideally, dapat yung amortization mo, it's not you spending money for it. You should be using other people's money to pay for the property, which is basically, it will come from the pockets of your tenant. So the tenant should be the one paying the amortization. So if we compare, for example, a condo that you will loan through the bank, and Una Apartments, which you will loan through Balay Verde program, if you run the numbers, for example, the loan amount for the condo via bank financing is 4.5 million. So yung ibang condos area, ganun yung balance. So the interest rate, for example, is 7.5%. 15 years. So ang monthly amortization mo doon is 41,700 estimated. So if we compare it to this studio, slightly bigger pa nga si Una sa area in terms of floor area yung mga studio. So let's say ang loan amount niya nga is nasa 6.5 million. So technically 2 million yung difference, right? Then 4% lang interest rate. Technically nadagdagan yung price pero almost na nga lahat yung interest rate. So, tapos 15 years to pay din, apples to apples comparison tayo, aside from the interest rate, the monthly amortization is only 48,000. So, nagdagdag ka lang na how much? Diba? So, just like 6,000 pesos plus per month yung dinagdag mo, but you get mas upgraded yung mga materials, semi-furnished pa siya. Diba? So, that's one way to look at it, diba? It really makes sense for me. Because the showroom is currently under renovation, so wala pa tayong mapakita ngayon na bagong one-bedroom showroom, but here's a refresher of the one-bedroom unit before we featured. The one-bedroom deluxe unit here in Una Apartments is 42 square meters. So almost the same lang naman with studio. The main difference is merong mga additional furniture, but the rest is the same. It comes with an SPC flooring, energy recovery ventilator, a CO monitor, and of course, a balcony. And here, you have two split-type air conditioning units, one for the living and dining areas, and one for the bedroom. So keep in mind that this one-bedroom showroom that we have shown before is for the Tower 1. So there's just a slight variation in terms of the layout for Tower 2. Here's a sample floor plan layout for a one-bedroom deluxe unit. In the kitchen area, there's also a deliverable base cabinet and an overhead cabinet. In the living and dining area, the additional furniture is a two-seater couch, and the dining table and chairs are now good for 4 packs. The bedroom has a queen-size bed frame and mattress and a wardrobe cabinet. The bathroom also comes with a mirror. And you don't have to worry whenever there is a blackout or power outage, because here, there's enough backup power for each tower. So now, how much is a one-bedroom deluxe unit here in Una Apartments? The total price for a 42 square meter one-bedroom deluxe unit here is 12.1 million. Then the reservation fee is the same, 50K, and the payment term is also 10-10-80. 10% spot, 10% is spread out. Here, so one-bedroom deluxe, mas mahaba yung term na ino-offer nila for the monthly payment. So, kung sa studio, nasa 26 months to pay tayo. Dito sa one-bedroom, nasa 38 months to pay. So, the 10% spot down payment 1 month after the reservation is around 1.2 million. So again, this depends on which unit you will select, which floor. Then the monthly payment will just be around 33,500. So imagine, it's almost the same as a studio. Slightly higher lang yung capital investment sa umpisa. Then the balance of 10.1 million, you will now loan this via NHMFC sa Balay Verde program. For example, 15 years to pay 4% interest. The monthly amortization is projected to be around 75,000 per month, and the income requirement is around 250K per month. So keep in mind na ngayon may promo sila, kaya discounted tong price na to. So nabawasan siya ng nasa around 110K. Then at the end of the 38 months, so the titling related expenses or other charges is around 544K. So now, dahil ongoing construction na ngayon Tower 1, so that you will appreciate it even more, and so you can see how close this is to the La Salle University. So let's check out the actual site. Isn't it amazing? Last time I featured this, hindi pa ganun ka-significant yung progress. But as of today, it's almost finished na yung Tower 1. And as we can see, makikita natin dito talaga yung workmanship, the quality of the materials used. Kasi kahit wala pa siyang paint, kita natin, it's very neat and very organized. Systematic yung construction methodology, Artelan. And behind it, ongoing construction na rin, si Tower 2. So si Tower 1, almost wala na tayong inventory dito. And kung magkaroon man ng reopen, medyo maikli na lang yung payment terms. Kaya if you're looking for a condo na mas mahaba yung terms, around 2 to 3 years, Tower 2 is really the ideal option for you. So the target date of completion of Tower 1 is Q4 next year, so 2026. Si Tower 2 naman, Q4 2027. Pero kahit matatapos na to technically in a year, in a year or two, so Tower 2 2 years from now, tapos na yan. Pero mahaba pa rin yung payment terms specifically for one-bedroom deluxe. So yeah, now you may be wondering, why is there a swimming pool behind me? So because currently, nandun tayo sa amenity area ng Savina Park Villas. So remember, Savina Park is a boutique community composed of condos and villas. So yung mga bahay na to, these were sold through the years, and this will be part of the community. So para magkakaroon talaga ng parang American community siya that you can freely walk around. Pero gated pa rin siya. So gated pa rin itong Savina Park Villa. So imagine sold out na dito sa Savina Park Villas kahit hindi pa tapos yung mga ibang phases. Ganun ganda yung market, yung demand for this project. And ganun din yung tiwala ng mga tao sa Arthaland because they've been around for so long. And fun fact na rin, so one of the major shareholders of Arthaland is Century Pacific Group. If you're familiar of the brands like Peri Peri, Shaky, Century Tuna, 555, Potato Corner, these are all companies owned by the major shareholder, Century Pacific Group. So we look around para mas ma-appreciate niyo yung workmanship and gano'ng kaganda yung amenities, paano sila gumawa ng carefully planned amenity area because hindi pa naman natin makita amenities ng Una Apartments ngayon, but still, diba, you will be able to see how this is designed for openness and interaction. The amenities for you to enjoy here in Una Apartments Tower 2 are a swimming pool, a children's play area, a grill area, a potager garden, a sunken garden, and the best part, it has its own fitness gym and a function hall. For you to appreciate more na meron talagang demand dito for tenants, or if ever you're gonna use the property and you're gonna send your kids to school, I'm gonna show you the courtyard hall. It's an existing building. It's still part of the Arthaland development. Now currently, may mga students na nag-rent doon who are students, and some of them are faculty members of De La Salle University. It's literally walking distance lang from this condo. So by the way, dito sa condo natin, you can choose between two sides. So pwedeng facing amenity area ka sa Tower 2 or facing mountain view. So ngayon, meron pa tayong mga mountain view units and meron pa tayong mga corner one-bedroom deluxe units. So here's Tower 1. Nasa side tayo ngayon. Then here is Tower 2. And as you can see, this is the new building of De La Salle University Laguna campus. So this is how close the condo is to the major source of tenants. And ito namang nasa likod natin, this is the courtyard hall where some of the students and faculty members are currently renting. So imagine, it's just a really short walk going to De La Salle University. Of course, because this is a master plan boutique community, hindi pwedeng mawala ang commercial aspect. So this, sa ngayon, of course, for sales purposes, ginagamit lang siya for that. But eventually, this will be converted into a retail or commercial space. And on top of this, I mean, at the back of this building, there's a huge block dedicated for just the commercial developments. So actually sold out na yung commercial lots dito. But there's going to be a supermarket here, coffee shops, retail spaces, and depende dun sa nakabili ng lot kung how they would like to transform this area. But definitely, this will really help in improving the life. And yeah, it's going to be a self-sustaining community. Hindi mo na kailangan lumabas to the malls outside because it's going to have its own commercial component. And bukod pa dyan, Savina Park is beside Broadfield. So you will really benefit from the capital appreciation because it's going to be like a future BGC here in the south. So around 60 plus hectares ng Broadfield is allotted for commercial. So expected natin magkakaroon ng BPOs, office buildings here. So aside from the students of the schools nearby and the people working in Laguna Technopark in the manufacturing sector, in the future, there will be office workers who can be your potential tenants as well. Now, that has been our 2025 updates of Una Apartments. Hopefully, this time around, you were able to appreciate more what this has to offer. So I am telling you that this is really a golden opportunity to really invest here habang nasa Tower 2 pa lang tayo. As usual, please show me some love by liking this video and sharing this to people you want to manifest with. And don't forget to hit subscribe so that you'll always updated whenever we upload new videos. If you want to see the pop-up studio unit here and explore more what Savina Park has to offer, please don't hesitate to contact me on my mobile number appearing on your screen. It's +6395635627753. That's also my Viber and WhatsApp. Once again, this is Earl, the Dynamic Realtor, showing you premium properties you deserve.